Hi everyone, we're going to write each equation in logarithmic form. Basically, the inverse of a log function, so y equals of an exponential function, is where you just switch the x and the y. So that would be x equals b to the y. And the logarithmic form would be y equals log of base of x. And the way I'm going to write it is this way, and just show you that we're going to do a base to a certain power equals a value. And I'm going to go ahead and put it as n. And the log form would be log base of n. You can change this to x. I think a lot of teachers put x here instead. But this is going to equal your power. So if you want, you can change these to x, if that helps. So basically, this is your base. This would be your power. And then your x or your n is your value. And the more you do of these, the easier it gets. And you want to know how to go from back to forth on these, or basically this one right here, because we're not used to looking at this. We're used to looking at it as the base to the power. So we want to know how to rewrite these. So the first one we have is 2 to the 7th equals 128. And so to rewrite that, I'm going to write log and my base. My base is right here. 2, so base 2 of my value, which is 128, equals my power. And I just rewrote it. Okay, so let's do another one. 3 to negative 4 equals 1 over 81. And to write the inverse, this would be log of my base of 1 over 81 equals my power. Okay, we have 1/7 to the 3rd equals 1 over 343. So to rewrite it, we're going to write log of my base, which is 1/7, of my value, which is 1 over 343, equals your power. And just remember, your power is here, because we're going to be evaluating some, and you want to be able to do some of those. Let's do a couple more. We have 2 cubed equals 8. So we're going to write my base is 2, log base 2 of my value 8 equals 3. Okay, and let's do one with the fraction. 1/3 squared equals 1/9. So we get log of my base of 1/2 equals 2. I think I wrote this wrong. This is 1/9. Sorry. Let me erase this. So it's 1/9. This would be 1/9. And that's all. The next one we're going to do is we're going to write the log form in exponential form. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.